How to add birth date in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or change birth date. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now on the top, tap on your profile icon. Now here on the right top, there's an edit button. Simply tap on this edit button. So this is the place where you can customize and make different changes to your profile. Now slowly scroll down. Here there's a section called birth date, so simply tap on this birth date. Now here you can select the birth date and later you can simply tap on confirm. So as you can see, the birth date has been confirmed. So now you can simply add the birth date, and here on the bottom you can see this confirm button. Simply tap on confirm. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the birth date has been added. Now we can simply go back and it's all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.